Hey, this is Joshua Jackson of Full Quarter Performance, and I'm here with Black Men's Beard for Beard Fit Wednesdays. Each and every Wednesday, we're going to be giving you vital information, not only to help you maintain your beard, but also to help you maintain your body on the outside and on the inside. Very first exercise, the most important exercise there is the squat. This is a full body exercise. That means that you're being able to do one exercise that works the whole body. So, as we're walking into the squat bar, I want to make sure that we place the bar on our shoulders. That way we have a good balance on it and make sure that it doesn't fall off of it. As you walk the bar out, I want you to make sure that you find a 45-degree angle point on the wall and that our chest is up big and tall. As we're sitting down into this squat, that is vital because that allows the body to stand upright and doesn't allow you to crumble from the midsection. This is also another reason why you should be working out those abs, man. Make sure you're working those abs, guys. Don't be that guy on the beach this summer, man, not working those abs. So, as you're going down into the squat, I want you to fully engage through the feet. Energy comes from the ground, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing a load. As you're dropping down, it's going into the load. As we're doing that, I want you to focus on driving out of your feet, through your legs, contacting through your hamstrings and through your quads, and finishing out through the glutes, while all remaining to keep upright, up tall during the exercise. Make sure that you rack it, and I want you to make sure that you're doing the weight that fits you. All right, I look forward to giving you more of these tips each week, man. And this is Joshua Jackson again of FullQuarterPerformance.com with Black Men's Beard, and as we always say, salute to the grind.